Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Children, welcome today math class. Previous class we learned about smart charts. With the help of some activities, we learned about what is tally marks, bar graph and chapati chart. Hope that chapter is clear to you people. And today class, I am going to start new chapter, 13th chapter, which is ways to multiply and divide. Children, already we learned in previous class how to multiply 2-digit and 3-digit numbers and how we can divide the numbers. Now in this 5th grade, we are going to learn what are the different ways we have to multiply and divide. We are going to learn the different ways to multiply and divide, and these different ways we are going to learn with the help of some stories. Previous chapter we learned with the help of activities. Now here we have some stories. With the help of that stories we are going to learn the different ways which help us to multiply and divide. Yes, here we have first story. You can see one person is there here whose name is called Maniratnam. See, what about this Maniratnam? Let us see now here. Maniratnam, the cashier. Maniratnam is the cashier of King Jayan. His job is to find out the salary of all the people who work for the king. This chart shows how much salary each person gets in a day. Yes, here the Maniratnam, they said that Maniratnam is a cashier. He works near the king whose name is Jayan. Now his job is he will find out the salaries of all the people, those who are working for king. Now here they gave some chart where you can see the different persons and salaries. Minister's salary is 195 rupees and horse rider's salary is 76 rupees per day and cook's salary is 65 rupees per day. So Maniratnam wanted to calculate the salary of cook for month of January. You know, in the month of January we have 31 days. What is the cook salary per day? 65 rupees. Cook salary is 65 rupees per day. If you want to calculate the salary of cook for month of January, he need to multiply 65 into 31. But you can see there how Maniratnam is calculated the cook salary. His salary per day is 65 rupees. That 65 is split into two parts, 60 and 5. And the number of days in the month of January is 31 days. Again that 31 is split into two parts by taking the round figure as 30 plus 1. Then he multiplied 30 into 60, he got 1800. 30 into 5, 1500. Again he multiplied with 1. 1 into 60, 60. 1 into 5, 5. So by multiplying all that 4 quantities, 1800 plus 150 plus 60 plus 5, he got the result is 2015. So in the month of January, cook's salary is 2015 rupees. This is the way he multiplied. Who beta? Maniratnam. Now what next? Maniratnam's daughter Bela has learnt another method to multiply. Not in this method, she did in another method it seems. She write like this and showed it to Banu, her brother. See how she multiplied 65 into 31. See in that multiplication, in her multiplication process, only second number she split into two parts. 31, she split into two parts, 30 plus 1. 1 multiplied with 65. Again second number 30 also multiplied with 65. Now let us see more about this Bela method. Children, you can see here how Maniratnam is calculated cook salary for January month. Here we have Maniratnam method beta. Cook salary is 65 rupees per day. Per day 65 rupees. Now Maniratnam want to calculate what is cook salary in the month of January. So cook salary per day is 65 rupees. See number of days in January month. How many days beta? 31 days only. January month we have 31 days. 65 rupees per day. What is the salary for 31 days? How can I get the answer? By multiplying this both. Sir, per day salary into number of days. Then we get the cook salary per January month. Cook salary for January month. Now the way is multiplied, you can see better. 65 is split into two parts. 60 plus 5. By taking the round figure 65, he took 60 plus 5. He split into two parts. Similarly, 31 also is split into two parts. He took the round figure 30 plus 1. 30 plus 1, 31. 60 plus 5, 65. Then he multiplied 30 into 60. He got 1800. 30 into 5, 150. Again he multiplied 1 into 60, 60. 1 into 5, 5. The total rupees 1800 first part plus 15, 150 second part plus 60 third part plus 5 fourth part. By adding all this, he got rupees 2015. 2015. This is the cook salary for January month. Now in this way he calculated January month salary of cook salary. Now let us see his daughter Bela method. Even Bela want to calculate same, but she tried in different method. Bela want to calculate same cook salary for January month only, but she not did in Maniratna method. She did her own style. Let us see in what way she done the calculation. Now in her way, she took only second number. I mean only second number she split into two parts. Second number 31, how can I split into two parts? 30 plus 1. 30 plus 1. So first the given number 65 she multiplied with 1. And the given number 65 she multiplied with 30. Hope it is clear to all. In Bela method, she second number, only second number she split into two parts. 30 plus 1. So that 1 she multiplied with 65. Again 30 she multiplied with 65. Now let us multiply better. 1 5 is 5. 1 6 is 6. Now here we have 0 better. So first place you can keep 0. Then you can multiply with 3. Here we have 0. So first place you can keep 0 itself. Then 65 you can multiply with 3 enough. 65 multiply with 3. 3 5 is 15. 5 1 carry. 3 6 is 18. 18 plus 1 19. Yes. 5 6 plus 5 11. 1 carry. 9 plus 1 10. 0 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2. Rupees 2015. Even Bela method also same answer. Cook salary for January month is 2015 rupees. How she did better? Only second number she split into two parts. 31 she split like 30 plus 1. 30 plus 1. Second number she did 30 plus 1. First 65 she multiplied by 1. Again 65 she multiplied by 30. 1 into 5 5. 1 into 6 6. Again here we have 0. So first place you can keep 0 better. And the remaining 65 can multiply only 3 now. No need of 0. 0 you keep here already. So 3 5 is 15. 5 1 carry here. 3 6 is 18. 18 plus 1 19. So I got like this. Now again salary of minister in Bela method. Bela brother Bhanu. Now Bhanu want to calculate minister salary for January month by using Bela method. See what is the minister salary per day? Minister salary per day is 195 rupees. Per day 195 rupees. Then what is the salary for January month? Number of days in January we have 31 days. Yes, we can write here number of days. Number of days in January is equal to how many days better? 31 days. Now minister salary we need to calculate, right? Minister salary for January month. So minister salary for January month. So what is the minister salary per day? 195 rupees. Per day 195 rupees. Then what is his salary for 31 days? You can multiply with 31 will get the minister salary for January month. Now here Bhanu, I mean Bela's brother, is going to calculate the minister salary by using Bela's method. So 195 he want to multiply with 31. So what is Bela's method? Second number she split into two parts. What is the second number? 31. So 31 how can I split? 30 plus 1. 30 plus 1. So 195. First this 195 you want to multiply with 1. Again 195 you want to multiply with 30. Now let us multiply beta. 1 5 is 5. 1 9 is 9. 1 1 is 1. So here we have 0. First place you can keep 0 itself. Then 195 can multiply with only 3 now. 3 5 is 15. 5 1 carry. 3 9 is 27. 27 plus 1 28. 8 2 carry. 3 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 5. 5 9 plus 5 14 1 carry. 8 plus 2 10 0 1. 5 plus 1 6. So minister salary for January month is 6,045 rupees, and this is the calculation done by Bela's brother Bhanu. In which method she did better? Bela's method. So here we have two different methods to multiply. One is Maniratna method and another one is Bela method. So in Maniratna method, two numbers is split into two parts, whereas Bela method only second number she split into two parts. Hope this concept is clear to you. Let us see some more applications based on Bela method. Children, here we have two more problems from page number 171, practice time, second bit. Do this using Bela method. Just now I explained how to multiply the numbers by using Bela method. Only second number she is going to split. So based on that Bela method, let us do these two problems now. Yes. Let us see first C bit beta solution. The given numbers are 65 into 37. To multiply these two numbers, 65 we need to multiply with 37. So second number 37 she split into two parts, 30 plus 7. 30 plus 7. So first 65 we need to multiply with 7 better. 65 we need to multiply with 7. Then again 65 we need to multiply with how much? Multiply with 30. Let us multiply 65 with 7 beta. 7 5 is 35. 5 3 carry. 7 6 is 42. 42 plus 3 45. Here we have 0. So first place you can keep 0 itself. Then 165 can multiply with only 3 now. 3 5 is 15. 5 1 carry. 3 6 is 18. 18 plus 1 19. Now let us add this 5 plus 0 5. 5 plus 5 10 0 1 carry. 9 plus 1 10 plus 4 14 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2. So how much I got? 2405. This is Bela method. Let's see one more application based on Bela method. So what is B bit? 188 into 91. So let us multiply these two numbers, 188 into 91. So in her Bela method, she split only second number 91. Second number 91 she will split like 90 plus 1. So first 188 we need to multiply with 1. Then 188 we need to multiply with 90. So let us multiply 188 into 1. So 1 into 8 8. 1 into 8 8. 1 into 1 1. Now here we have 0. So first place you can keep 0 itself. Now 188 you can multiply with only 9 beta. 9 8 are 72. 2 7 carry. 9 8 are 72. 72 plus 7 79. 9 7 carry. 9 1 are 9. 9 plus 7 16. 9 plus 7, 16. 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 0, 1 carry. So 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. 1 plus 6, 7. Here 1. 17,108. So this is the way we can calculate, we can multiply the numbers in Bela method. Children, here we have one more story. It is about Shantaram, a special cook. He is one special cook, it seems. Let us multiply this, we'll get the amount which he is going to get in the 28 days. Now here to multiply 165 with 28, let us follow the Bela's method. What is Bela's method? Second method. Second number she split into two parts. 28 in her method. Second number she will split 28. She will split like 20 plus 8. 20 plus 8. It means this 165. First we need to multiply with 8. Then 165 we need to multiply with 20. First let us multiply 165 by 8 beta. 8 5s are 40. 0 4 carry. 8 6s are 48. 48 plus 4 52. 2 5 carry. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 5 13. Now we can multiply 165 into 20. So first we have 0, we place 0 here. Now we can multiply with only 2. 165 multiply with 2. 2 5s are 10. 0 1 carry. 2 6s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 3 1 carry. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 0 2 plus 0 2. 3 plus 3 6. 1 plus 3 4. I got 4,620 rupees. So rupees 4,620 rupees. Now Shantaram is going to get 4,620 rupees by working 28 days. So we can write his salary. His salary for how many days, beta? Sir, his salary for 28 days is equal to rupees 4,620. Now let us see next case. If he work 1 year, how much salary he will get? So we know 1 year is equal to number of days. How many are there? 1 year. So number of days in 1 year we have 365 days. Now let me write here 1 year is equal to 365 days. 1 year is equal to 365 days. So salary per day. salary per day. So per day they are going to pay how much amount? Rupees 165. They are going to pay 165 rupees. Then how can I calculate his salary per year? We can multiply 165 into, so we can multiply 165 into 365. Per day salary into number of days. What is per day salary? 165 rupees. Multiply with 365 rupees. Now we can see better. Just now second number we got 2-digit number. Now here the second number is what? A 3-digit number. So this 3-digit number 365. So how can I split this 365? 300 plus 60 plus 5. In Bela method, 3-digit number she is going to split like this: 300 plus 60 plus 5. So first 165 we need to multiply with 5. Again 165 we need to multiply with 60. Then multiply the 165 with 300. Multiply the 165 with 300. Now let us multiply 165 with 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 2 carry. 5 6s are 30. 30 plus 2 32. 2 3 carry. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 3 8. Now let us multiply 165 into 60. So here we have 1 0. First immediately can place the 0. Now 165 can multiply only 6. 6 5s are 30. 0 3 carry. 6 into 6 36. 36 plus 3 39. 9 3 carry. 6 1s are 6 plus 3 9. Next we have 2 zeros. So immediately starting itself we can place these 2 zeros. Now 165 can multiply with only 3. 3 5s are 15. 5 1 carry. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 1 19. 9 1 carry. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. 5 2 9 plus 8 17. 17 plus 5 22. 2 2 carry. 9 plus 9 18. 18 plus 2 20. 0 2 carry. 2 plus 4 6. 60,225 rupees. How much better? 60,225 rupees. Now we can write his salary for his salary for 1 year is equal to 60,225 rupees. So like that we can calculate salary by using Bela's method. Here we have one more story about years and years, and this story is about Sohan. This you can complete your classwork as homework. Now let's go for B1. If Soha's heart beats 72 times in 1 minute, how many times does it beat in 1 hour? 72 times per minute, 1 minute. Then how many times it beat in 1 hour? So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. If it is going to beat 1 hour 72 times, then how many times it beat in 60 minutes? How can I calculate better? We need to multiply 72 into 60. Now find out how many times it beats in 1 day. So 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Already we can find how many times it beat in 1 hour. From there we can multiply with 24. Count your own heartbeats to find out how many times your heart beats in 1 week. Now let us see this multiplication by using Bela's method. Children, here we have one story about Soha's heartbeat. Here they said about her heartbeat. Heartbeat per minute is equal to 72 times. Her heart beats 72 times it seems per minute. How many times it beat in hour? 1 hour. So how many times it beat in 1 hour? So 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? We need to calculate that first. So we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Per minute, if it is going to beat 72 times per 60 minutes, How many times heartbeat? So to know that, we need to multiply these two. We need to multiply. So they said heartbeat per 1 minute is 72 times. Then how many times heartbeat in 60 minutes? Per minute 72 times. For 60 minutes we need to calculate now. So let us calculate it here. So we need to multiply 72 with 60. So let us do this by using Bela's method. Second number 60 we need to split into two parts. 60 plus 0. So let us multiply 72. Let us multiply 72 with 0. Again multiply 72 with 60. Yes. So let us multiply 0 into 2, 0. 0 into 7, 0. Now 60 there, first number we have 0, you can place 0 itself. Then 72 can multiply now with only 6. 6 to the 12, 2, 1 can. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 1, 43. 0, 0 plus 2, 2, 3, 4. The heartbeat per 1 hour is 4320 times. How many times it beat in 1 day? So we know that 1 day is equal to how many hours? 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 1 day is equal to 24 hours. From above we know 1 hour is equal to 4320 times. So from above, let us write it here. From above, heartbeat per 1 hour. Heartbeat per hour is equal to 4320. So per 1 hour it is 4320. For 24 hours, we need to multiply 4320 into 24. So let us try this one is Bela's method. 24 you can split 20 plus 4. So first 4320 we need to multiply with 4. Again 4320 we need to multiply with 20. Let us multiply 4320 with 4. 4 into 0. 0. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 2 1 carry. 4 into 4 16 plus 1 17. So first we have 0 here. First place you can keep 0 itself. Now 4320 multiply with 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 0 8. 2 plus 4 6. 7 plus 6 13. 3 1 carry. 8 plus 2 10. So it is 1,03,680 times. 1,03,680 times heartbeat per 1 day. Count your heartbeat to find out how many times your heartbeat in 1 week. So my heartbeat per minute is equal to some 70 times a day. Only 70 times. So we have to calculate for 1 week. Let us calculate first 1 day or 1 hour first. So let's write here heartbeat per hour is equal to, see 1 hour is nothing but 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Per minute it is 72 times. For 60 minutes we need to calculate now. So let us multiply here 70 into 60. So in Bela's method 60 we can divide 60 plus 0. So first 70 you can multiply with 0. Again 70 you can multiply with 60. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 7, 0. 0 there here first number can give 0. Now 70 can multiply with only 6. Here we have 0 beta. First place you can keep 0 itself. Now 70 can multiply with only 6. 6 into 0, 0. 6 into 7, 42. 0, 0, 2, 4. So my heartbeat per hour is 4,320. So next I want to calculate per day. So let me write here heartbeat Yes, heartbeat per day is equal. See, per day how many hours? 24 hours. See, 1 hour 4200 times. 24 hours we need to multiply 4200 into 24. Now 24 we need to split two parts. 4200 multiply with 4, again 4200 multiply with 20. Now 4 into 0, 0, 4 into 0, 0, 4 2s are 8, 4 into 4, 16. Now we have 0 here, first place you can keep 0 only. 2 zeros are 0, again 2 zeros 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 0 0 8, 6 plus 4 10, 0 1 10, 8 plus 2 10, 0 1 10. Yes, it is 3,800 times. 3,800 times per day, but they are asking per week. So 1 week is equal to how many days? 7 days. You can write here 1 week. 1 week is equal to 7 days. So how can I calculate heartbeat per day, beta? Yes, you can write here heartbeat for 1 week. 1 week. In bracket you can write 7 days. How can I calculate this? Sir, 1 day it is 3,800 times. No sir, multiply with 7. 700, 700, 7 8 56, 6 5 700 plus 5, 5, 700, 7 3s are 21. So my heartbeat per week is 21,05,600 times. So hope today class is clear to you people. Today class we learned different ways to multiply. We learned two different methods. One is Shantara method, how we can multiply the numbers, and other one is Bela's method. Hope this one is clear to you, and we'll meet in next class. Thank you once again.